Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I know I just posted a video up last night, just me talking. Today I went and decided to put the Ecobeast in to show you. I'm telling you I'd be doing it. So today will be the day. First thing I noticed when I changed tunes, the shifting points are a lot different. It's definitely more of a daily driving tune than the performance one was. I only put 5 miles on it so far, but it's still an open vein tune. Let me try to get something for you guys real quick to see. Figure it out. Pretty good. Driving through the city right now, and traffic's not bad, but can't really get it open up to show you what it can do. So I'll try to find a spot later and get something up to show you what it can do from 0 to probably about 60. Because around here where I'm from, not really anywhere good. There's a lot of spots that cops hang out, and we don't really have any open roads per se that I can find or think of off the top of my head. I'm sure there are, but so pretty much it's all the same as the performance tune. Like I said, the shifting points are changed up a little bit, so it's not as an aggressive shift. It still has that nice firm shift, so you know you're in gear, which I really like. I'm sure there's people out there that don't want to feel it shift like a car with a CVT transmission. So far I like it. I will run it for a few days, then I'll change it to the Quick Tricks Looney and post a video of that one. Show you guys the difference in them. The Looney was probably a little bit better in shifting, I think, but didn't have the power that Blessed has gotten with. I looked online last night through a couple different tuning companies, and I think the next one I'm going to purchase is going to be Warren. I'll probably do the Hot Street and their race tune or hot tune and see what it's like on my truck. And pretty much I'll go from there. Try to get that walk around video going up soon, because it is getting nice out. Tomorrow, which is Friday, is supposed to be really crappy out here into Saturday. So we'll see what I can do, and I'll catch you guys later. Alright, so here's the video of the outside of the truck. 37 by 13.5 STT Pros by Cooper. Gear rims, the 20-inch, negative 44 offset, and they're 12 wide. They're beat up. These are going to be my winter rims from now on. See how I use them. I got 8-inch tip, 5-inch straight pipe. Like I said, the truck's not perfect. You look here, my jerry rig fucking bed support, it's all rotted out. Definitely seen better days. bed soon. Just your typical back rack. Red pinstriping, nothing special. I am missing my front balance filler piece. That's actually in the bed of the truck, looking to get it painted. The grill, typical kid status. Going and painting over chrome, not a good idea. Dual shock set up in the front. I'm gonna go back to a single shock. Ladder bars. Got a radius arms, ladder bars are back there. Got the air off. 165. There's a lariat. So, I'll show you guys under the hood. Pretty much I got just generic Amazon hot and cold side piping, Amazon elbow right there for the intake, stock intake manifold. That's the Power Max Stage 1 turbo with the billet wheel, and just Amazon blue cold air intake. Really is not that cold, but I did modify a little bit and cut the front support out of the corner up here, so it pushes a little bit more ambient temperature instead of hot motor temps in there. So yeah, that's pretty much the truck overall.